start our fourth lesson, that's name is clothes we wear. As you know children, we all wear clothes mostly or mainly to protect our bodies from extreme weather like strong sunlight, heat and cold, and also protect from the rain also. Clothes protect us from the insects. Clothes protect our skin from the dust and dirt. So children, we also wear clothes to look smart. So many people want to wear the clothes according to the latest fashion. So they wear the different types of clothes. But you know children, long ago early humans, they did not know how to make the clothes. What do they wear? In cold regions, early humans wear the skin of animal around their bodies, and in the hot regions they wrap the leaves or bark of the plants or trees around their bodies. So children, they protect themselves from the weather to wear the skin of animals. After that, gradually early humans discovered the stitching needles and they stitch the skin of animal according to their body shape, and they wear the fitted shirt or the fitted cloths like the trousers. So children, gradually they learn the agriculture and they began to farming. From that farming they came to know that the plants also help them to make the cloth. They discovered that the cotton plant, from that cotton plant they get the cotton and they make the threads from the cotton, and from these threads they weave these threads by their hand and they make the cloth, and slowly they discover the making of cloth or art of the making or weaving cloths. So many regions or areas or places, early humans wrap these cloths around their bodies as it is. For example, sari, lungi or the pavda. Do you know sari? Your mama wear the sari, lungi. South Indian people mainly wear the lungis around their waist, and the pavda. You know the Sikh people or Punjabi people, they wear the pagdi around their head to protect their head from the sun or the extreme weather. So this is also called the pavda. So this cloth they wear to protect their bodies. Gradually and slowly people discover the art of weaving the cloths, and they make the thread from the cotton ball, and these threads they adjust into the two sets and on the machine, and they weave these threads from their hand, and this machine is called a hand loom, and this cotton cloth they weave from their hand, and they also discover the technique of stitching the cloths. So according to their shape, people make their clothes by their own. In long ago time, different regions of the country or the different countries in the world wear the different types of clothes. In our India also we wear the different types of clothes. Do you know, in our Maharashtra there is also wear in the village areas the traditional clothes like nawari and dhoti kurta, and small children wear their traditional clothes like frock, and in the Punjabi they wear the salwar kameez or the dhoti and their pagdi also, like this. And in South India these people also wear the lungi, and women also wear the saris. In Bengal state they also wear the different types of cloth. Rajasthan region and Gujarat region, they have the different types of cloth culture. They wear their traditional clothes. So children, according to their region and according to their climate condition of that region, people wear the different types of cloth. In Jammu and Kashmir, this area is always have the extreme cold. So these area people wear the woolen cloths to keep their body warm. And in South India, this area of that region is always the hot. So these people wear the light cotton cloths to protect their body from the heat. Like the cotton cloths, people also discover to weave the cloths from the silk or jute, or nowadays we are wearing the synthetic cloths also. These are not the natural fibers. We get the cotton cloths from the cotton plant. Cotton and jute is also made from the jute plant. So cotton and jute are the natural fibers and we get it from the plants. Wool and silk cloth is getting from the silkworm, and we get wool from the sheep and other animals. So these also these fibers are getting from the animals. So children, these are the animal fibers, and polyester also the synthetic cloth, and this is made from the plastic, mainly made from the petroleum. So these synthetic cloths are not so healthy for our bodies. It not absorb the sweat and it's not keep our body cool. But in the other side, cotton cloths absorb the sweat and it allows to come in or out the air. So cotton cloth keep our body temperature cool. So cotton cloths are very comfortable to wear. Do you see the cotton plants, children? If you see the cotton plant, it has a cotton ball that is break out from the cotton plant. If you see in the cotton ball, there are so many threads or yarn or fibers are coming out from that cotton ball. From these fibers, people twisted it and make it a thread, and the long thread they make on the charkha and wrap it into the ball and adjust it into two set on the handloom or the factories like power looms. They make the cloths. and mostly people who are weaving the cloths by their hand on the handloom, this cloth is called the khadi. So these cloths are comfortable and we can prefer it betterly. So children, cotton cloth is very comfortable cloth for us.